Today, I'm going to talk for a really brief moment about how I made $10,000 in one day and how you can too. Now, this is not how to make $10,000 every day. This is how to make $10,000 once in one day. And then we'll go ahead and get into more details about how to do that again and again, which is a lot harder to do the second and third and fourth time. But basically, the gist of it is as follows. I reached out to my current audience, my current demographic, my current people, my inner network. For you, that might be your Facebook friends. It might be your Instagram following, the people that comment on your posts all the time. It might be an email list if you have that, friends and family, so on and so forth. And I offered these people to jump on a Zoom call with me because I told them I had an idea. And I basically offered them some of the most powerful things that I could offer them for $1,000, for a little over $1,000. And I can't remember, 30 or 40 people jump on the call with me, and 10 of those people purchased something from me for $1,000. So when you think about it like that, hit everybody up on Facebook that you know, get them on a Zoom call, and offer them something for $1,000, it becomes less of a pie in the sky, unrealistic situation to make $10,000 in a day. Now, like I said, it's easier to make that $10,000 once with the people who love you, who know about you, who have been paying attention to you for a long time. And it's another thing to do this over and over and over again. So for the first time, what you have to do is basically ask yourself, what can I do to provide value for $1,000 for a person? Can I offer them, to spend time with them every Sunday on a call and help them with something? What is it that you offer? This is a very vague conversation based on what you have to offer the world, but the idea is to get a bunch of people on a Zoom call, tell them your idea, and pitch them to spend $1,000 with you. If your pitch is strong, if the thing that you have to offer is really valuable, then you can get a few people to bite. Then from there, it begs the question, what do you do next time? What do you do with people who have never heard of you? And that's when I like to create an email sequence and basically get strangers who have never heard of you to find out about you, to sign up to email or text messaging so that you can build relationships with those people. You build the relationships with those people, and after a month or 2 or 3 or 4 months of just adding complete value, not asking for anything, that is when you invite them to this call. So if you want to learn more about this, feel free to text me. My number is going to be somewhere in the description, and we can talk about this based on your specific needs, because I can't give you the exact scenario for your life and your situation, because I don't know your situation. So this is a general strategy on how to make $10,000 in one day. Our first goal is to get you $10,000 in one day with people who know you. And our second goal is to create a system so that you can get paid $1,000 in a day from people who don't know you, which will take a few months to get figured out. So feel free to text me. I'm going to jump in and connect with someone here in a second, but send a lot of love, and I hope you're doing well. Bye.